There are billions of fish in the ocean, and for every one fish, there are millions of tiny creatures that the naked eye cannot see. Because they are so small, they have not been identified. Some of these organisms can hurt the health of the ocean by outgrowing everything else, and sometimes, in extreme cases, turn a piece of the ocean a different color. One of these is a tiny creature called Alexandrium that can turn the ocean red and fill it with harmful toxins. So how can we avoid danger?
With something called PCR. What is PCR, you might ask? Well, let's say
You're a detective with a criminal investigation. Your goal is to find out who committed the crime. It would be quite difficult unless you had a key witness, someone who was actually there. In a water sample, you can use key witnesses, or primers, to see if Alexandrium is there. Then, you can lock him up before he can release toxins, make the water red, or commit other crimes. In our lab group, we are performing a similar investigation with samples from Maine that we have collected to try and keep our water toxin-free. Thanks to the detective work of PCR, we can find the culprit and can drink and swim in clean water.